Number
Oh,
blocks
look at that.
po.
It's a floating number blocks.
But 64 is on the tree.
What numbers?
1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64.
What are those numbers?
They are number blocks.
And double numbers?
Yes. Not just triple numbers or quadruple numbers. Just double numbers.
Just double numbers.
I had a skeleton spawn. I had a skeleton. Skeleton spawn. They don't even have.
Oh, look at that.
It's a floating bed.
Floating bed at the back of
64.
64.
So 64 was on this tree.
What's that?
Skeletons.
Skeletons with arrows. With bows and arrows.
Yes. It's almost night.